Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fractions. Today we're going to learn how to subtract fractions, but this time around the denominators will not be the same. So we call this unlike fractions. Let's try to understand. If we want to subtract or add a fractions, there must be one thing that we must make sure. We must always make sure that they are the same fraction. So what do I mean by same fractions? 1/2, 2/2, 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/4, 3/4, 2/4, or quarters, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6. So these are examples of same fractions. Once they are of the same fractions, we can actually add and subtract them. So this is very important, and you guys must know that they must be of the same fractions before you can do anything to them. Okay, so if let's say I have this fraction, half minus 1/4. Now 1/2 minus 1/4, because they are not the same fractions, I cannot do anything to them. Okay, I must first convert them to be the same fractions. And similar to your addition of fractions with addition of fractions with different denominators, we look at the denominators. Is 4 a multiple of 2, or is 2 a multiple of 4? If your answer is yes, from 2 you can get 4, you can simply multiply it by 2. So instead of 1/2 here, I actually have 2/4. 2/4 minus 1/4. 2 minus 1 is definitely 1. And because they are quarter fractions, I just write them down as quarters. So 2/4 minus 1/4 definitely give me 1/4. I can write it down like this. 2/4 minus 1/4 give me 1/4. 1/4. Okay, let's not be confused. Let's try with another example. 1/2 minus 1/5. So let's try with 1/6 first. Okay, 1/2 minus 1/6. So I know from 2 I can get a 6 simply by multiplying it by 3. So when I multiply the denominator by 3, I also multiply the numerator by 3. Here I get 3/6 minus 1/6, which will give me 3 minus 1 is 2, and 6 is a 6, so it's a fraction group 6. Another example, let's try a third. Let's take 1/3 minus 1/9. From here, can I subtract them straight away? I can't. So I need to make sure they belong to the same fractions. So I ask myself, is 9 a multiple of 3? Or is 3 a multiple of 9? So if my answer is yes to one of the question, so I can take 3 times 3 to get 9. 1 times 3. And remember, I must multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. So here, I have 3/9 minus 1/9. So 3/9 minus 1/9 will give me 2/9. Okay, so now it's your turn to try. I'm going to write down some fractions. 1/4 minus 2/8. So for first step, we look, are the denominators the same? 4 and 8, they are not the same. So we must make sure they are the same. So what can I do? Is 8 a multiple of 4? Is 4 a multiple of 8? So these are questions that you must keep on asking yourself. So from 4, I just need to multiply it by 2, I can get 8. So 1 times 2. And here, I will have 2, 8, minus 2, 8. And the answer, of course, will be 0, 8, which is actually 0. Okay, now, another example. 1/2 minus 3/8. Yes, this 1/2, I need to change it to 4/8.
Sorry for the interruption.
3.
All P6
Then I get 1.
students, please meet Mr. Zaki in front of the
Okay,
hall.
good luck in trying.
I repeat, all 6 R students, please meet